In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Red Dead Redemption 2 on your mobile phone. No high-end specs required. Let's get started. First, open the Play Store and search for Chikii Cloud Gaming. Look for the app with the blue logo and install it on your device. Since this is a cloud gaming service, make sure you have a fast and stable internet connection for the best experience. Once the app is installed, open it to see the main interface. At the bottom, you'll find the trending page, My Games, and the game library. Before we play, go to the Me section in the bottom right corner to log in. You can use Google, Facebook, or your email address, whichever you prefer. Now, head to the search bar and look for RDR2. You'll notice many other titles available, like GTA 5, but for today, we'll select Red Dead Redemption 2. Tap Play PC at the bottom, and then hit play again. Next, select your server. I'm choosing Asia, but you should pick the region closest to you, such as America or Europe. You will then enter a queue. Simply wait for it to finish. Once the prompt appears, tap Enter to launch the game. As you can see, the game is loading perfectly. You have access to full PC settings and keyboard controls. While the service isn't entirely free, you can play by using Chikii coins. To get these for free, go back to the Me section and tap the task icon. By completing these tasks, most of which involve watching ads, you can earn enough coins to play your favorite games. That's all for today. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Now, I'm gonna get back to my game. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.